Morafe, how we have come of age, a sedation, a symbiosis of rage. How we have overcome, better yet understood, that this eulogy is worth more than words could say on any page. How we have solid builders bondage, through matters of a common fate, through poem, song, through marriage. Actually, this eulogy could be a moment too soon, too late. How we are victims to this bait, victims of their own desire and taste. If Mavasana vacillating convinced us to wait, then this eulogy might as well have been a waste. Poraro na re seleretse le re phemele, le re tsogofatse le re atlegise, re tie, re ate, re tshwaragane ka diatla, re dira pula ene, pula.